Hi, in this video we're going to look at the Amazon Associate Fee Schedule and where to find it in your Amazon Associate account. Hi, this is George. Welcome to Digital High Road. This channel is about me helping you. I want to be honest with you in how you approach and build your business. I have another video for you. Please take the time to take the step forward. If you've got anything of value and learn anything that helped you from the video, please like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also reach over and hit that bell icon so to be notified of any future videos I might publish. So when you're dealing with Amazon as an Amazon Affiliate Associate, go into your Amazon Affiliate Associate account, go to the home page, and then scroll down here to the bottom. And how you find your advertising fee schedule is click here under Learn More to the advertising fee schedule. And your advertising fee schedule should come up here in a second. And then it'll tell you that whatever the products are that you're looking for, if you want whatever you want to promote, like we're going to promote right now, pets. Pets is at 8% of the total of what they purchase as from a pet product. So if you were doing outdoors things like weather stations, it's 5.5%. And whatever, televisions, if you sell a television, it's 2%. So, and then there's special fee programs down here at the bottom that they show you about that too. They'll show you different services and how much you'll get paid if you sold anything through them. So that's what I wanted to show you was that. And then what we can do then is look at the fee schedule again. The fee schedule is this. So as we're talking about pets, it's 8% of the total. So if it's pet, cat, litter boxes, it'd be 8% of the total on that. Thanks for watching this video. If you received any value from it, if it helped you out, please leave a comment and let us know. If you liked the video, please like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also reach over and tap that bell icon. And that way you'll be notified every time I publish a new video. Thank you.